change of heart. Christ taught you. If you have really heard his voice, then throw off your old evil nature, the old you that was a partner in your evil ways. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 20-22. Paul before his conversion was not meek. Proudly and brutally, he apprehended all Christians and sought to destroy them. He was bigoted, selfish, and vaunted. But when he wrote his warm and affectionate letter to the churches of Galatia, he said, among other things, the fruit of the Spirit is gentleness, goodness, meekness. His meekness was something God-given, not something man-made. It is not our nature to be meek. On the contrary, it is our nature to be proud and haughty. That is why the new birth is so essential to each of us. That is why Jesus frankly and pointedly said not only to Nicodemus, but to every one of us, "Ye must be born again." Meekness begins there. You must have a change of nature. Prayer for the day. Heavenly Father, give me the same kind of meekness that you gave to Jesus.